Dear student, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and your today's topic is a bird with stem with color. So everyone look at the screen. I have already write down your topic, a bird with stem with color. So before starting your drawing, you must write down the topic, a bird with stem with color. Then write down the lecture number and HW, and then you will start the drawing. Now I will show you how to draw a bird. First, draw a circle like this, and then drag a line like this, and here you drag another line like this. After that, give another curved line and join here, and it is these lines and these lines. Then give the eye and beak, and then give the tail of the bird. Okay, here mention that a bird with stem, so that you must draw the stem. Give first the legs and then start the stem. If you want, you can give there this type of decoration. Okay, so dear student, now I will brief you which color I have used on the bird. Look, I have used here light lemon color and light green color, and on the tail I have used here lemon first, and then some space I have given the light blue and deep blue also, and on this stem I have used yellow ochre or brown color, black color, and on the leaves I have used here deep green and light green. On the beak I have used here orange color. So my dear student, you can color by your own choice. No need to follow my color. If you have any confusion, you can use this color, but if you want to use any kinds of color, you will free for this. Okay my dear student, this one is your SW also, and SW number 3. You must practice at your home and submit your SW every Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.